नाउ दिस इज क्विज टाइम। हर लेसन कंप्लीट करने के बाद यह जरूरी है समझना कि हमने कितना सीखा। यह सेल्फ एनालिसिस के बिना हम आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते। पास्ट इंडेफिनिट हमने कंप्लीट किया और उससे रिलेटेड अब एक क्विज देखते हैं और समझते हैं कि कितना हमने सीखा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, शी डैश टी इन द इवनिंग yesterday. Make, maked, made, all of the above. The right answer is made. Maked कोई word नहीं है, so the past form of make is made. Question number 2, my friend dash a glass of milk. Drinked, drank, drunk, all of the above. The right answer is drank. Drunk is the third form and drinked जो है वो कोई word नहीं है. Question number 3 goes to you. Last Sunday, the woodcutter dash a tree. Cut, cutted, C-U-T-E-D. Cutted, C-U-T-T-E-D. All of the above. The right answer is cut. Yes, cutted कोई word नहीं है. Cut, cut, cut. All the three forms are the same. Question number 4 goes to you. I dash something while reading. Heard, H-E-A-R-D. Heard, H-E-A-R-E-D. Hoard, H-O-R-D. All of the above. The right answer is heard, H-E-A-R-D. Heard. Question number 5. Yesterday she dash badminton. Play, played, P-L-A-Y-D. Played, P-L-A-Y-E-D. All of the above. The right answer is played, P-L-A-Y-E-D. Question number 6. The manager dash an email. Written, wrote, written. All of the above. The right answer is wrote. Question number 7 goes to you. Last week she dashed me a gift. Send, sended, sent, all of the above. The right answer is sent. Sended is not a word. Send का past form sent होता है, S-E-N-T. The next question goes to you. Last month she dashed to Mr. Sin. Talk, talked, talking. All of the above. The right answer is talked. Last month she talked to Mr. Sin. Question number 9 goes to you. The manager dashed me a chance. Gave, gave, given. All of the above. The right answer is gave. The second form of give is gave, Z-A-V-E, gave. And the last question goes to you. We dash everything. Understand it, understood, understanding. All of the above. The right answer is understood. Understanded is not a word. Understanded कोई word नहीं है. Understood is the second form of understand. Understand, understood, understood. Okay. तो इतना करने के बाद आपको समझ में आया होगा कि हाँ भाई, आपने जो भी किया वह सही सही हो रहा है या नहीं। तो चलिए आगे के लेसन के लिए तैयार रहिए और इसे बार बार आप प्रैक्टिस करके इसके ऊपर 100% कमांड कीजिए।